Build me a marketing intelligence dashboard that connects to my ad platforms. Show total spend, CAC, subscriptions, signups, and impressions with daily candlestick charts.
All set, the task is running in the background. I'll let you know when it's done.
Computer, are you still there?
I'm here, ready whenever you need me.
I'd like to track all computer use cases that people post on X. Can you create an app for me that updates every hour with new use cases that are posted?
The new task to track computer use cases posted to X is now running. I'll keep you updated on its progress.
Awesome. I need something to post on X today. I'm thinking a meme. Can you generate a meme for me about computer and upload it to Typefully?
I'd started a task to generate a meme and upload it to Typefully for you. I'll let you know when it's ready.
What's the status of my tasks?
Your ad platforms task is finished, and your meme task is also complete. Anything else you'd like to do with them?